I would like to tell you that this is our first time to eat these mushrooms. I quite like it. Ingredients: 1 bowl of mushroom, 5 tablespoons of olive oil, 150 grams ham, 1 onion, 1 pinch of salt, parsley, chive. Turn on the cooker. Use high heat. Pour water 1.5 liters in boiling pot. Cover with the lid. I cut mushrooms into small pieces. When the water is boiling, pour mushrooms into the pot. I boil for 2 minutes. Then use strainer to separate water from the mushrooms. And set aside. Clean up the onion, then cut it into small pieces. Then set aside. Pour olive oil about 4 tablespoons, then following with grapeseed oil, just for health. Or you can use only olive oil. Next, I add onion ready cut in the pot. Fry until fragrant. Next, add ham, stir fry until half cooked. Then pour mushrooms into the pot. Turn over the mushrooms a couple of times to mix with the other ingredients. I add 1 pinch of salt. Add 1/4 of chili paste cube. Mix them together. Now it is the time to taste. Thoải mái. Cut chives and chop into small pieces. Then chopping parsley into small pieces too. After that, add on the top for decoration. Turn over a couple of times again. It's done now. Turn off the cooker. Put cooked mushrooms in the bowl. Then sprinkle chive and parsley again. Now ready to serve. We eat only mushrooms.ขอขอบคุณทุกท่านที่สนับสนุนช่องของเรานะคะอย่าลืมติดตามผลงานของเราในคลิปถัดไปด้วยนะคะก็พบกันใหม่โอกาสหน้า so thank you for supporting our channel see you next video bye bye